What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you how to solve the 2x2. Now solving a 2x2 is a lot like solving a 3x3, except you don't have to worry about the centers or the edges. All you have to worry about is the corners. So the solving difficulty of this puzzle is going to be a little bit easier than your traditional 3x3. And I will go over how we solve the corners on a 3x3 on this puzzle so that you can learn how to solve this puzzle before you jump straight into the 3x3. So anyways, let's dive right in. Now the 2x2 Rubik's Cube has 3 steps. The first step is to solve a full layer, the second step is to permeate the last layer, and the third step is to orient the last layer. So let's get started. Let's scramble it up. So that looks pretty good. Let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to solve a full layer just like we would on a 3x3. But the only difference is it doesn't matter where you place black or white on any side of the 2x2 because the 2x2 doesn't even have any centers. So what we can do is we can start on any random black corner. We'll pick this one because it has the logo and I usually start with the logo. So if you look at the corner here, you see there's black on top and there's red and blue. So we have to find a black red corner or a black blue corner on the bottom. So let's find either of those. Here's one with black and blue. So let's put this corner underneath where it goes. In this case it's right here. As you can see, the black sticker is facing straight down, so that means we have to make it so that this black sticker is either here or here. And we could do that by doing our little algorithm R prime D2 R. And as you can see, we have black facing us, and we can bring it up if we want to. But as you can see, if we do that, we bring our corner out of the way. So to prevent that from happening, we don't take the stairs, we take the elevator. So, with black facing you, it waits for the elevator goes down, loads the piece, and the elevator goes back up. Notice as we put that in there, we didn't disturb our corner. Now this elevator idea I didn't come up with, it was invented by a guy named Lucaden on YouTube. Full credit goes to him. So anyways, let's continue. We have a black and orange corner piece that needs to go here, so let's find that. It happens to be over here, so let's put it underneath where it goes. And in this case, we could just simply bring this piece up to the top, because this piece is not a black piece and it's not solved yet, so we could just bring this up to the top. And there's 3. I have 1 left. So let's look for that piece. Here it is right here. So let's put it underneath where it goes. Now for the last corner, there's simply no way to put this piece up here without messing up this. So that means we have to use our elevator technique again. So we do it as such with black facing you, waits for the elevator goes down, loads the piece, and the elevator goes back up. And there we go, we have solved a full layer. So now, let's flip it over and solve the remaining 4 pieces. So now the last layer is exactly like we do on a 3x3, except we don't have to worry about the edges or centers like I said in the beginning. So the first thing we have to do, like on the 3x3, is to find a corner that's already in the right place. Here's one right here. Now before we do our algorithm, we have to make sure that this corner piece is the only one solved. So let's look around. This one's not solved, this one's not solved. This one is already in the right place, so we can't use this corner. So let's turn it over once and look for another corner in the right place. Here's one. Now we need to check to make sure that no other corners are solved. This one is in the right place, this one is in the right place, and this one is in the right place. So this corner is the corner that we have to use for our algorithm. So we have to put this corner on the bottom right of the top face, and then we do the algorithm. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. As you can see, it kept this corner in the right place and cycled these 3. They're all in the right place, so we're done. Now for the last step, we have to orient the corners and solve the cube. Now it's basically the exact same thing that we do on the 3x3. We have to put an unsolved corner on the bottom right of the top face and then do our algorithm twice. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. As you can see, it oriented our corner and it messed up our bottom, but that's okay. Keep the cube in this position and rotate just the top layer only. Only turn the top layer. You don't want to turn the entire cube because that'll mess things up. You want to turn just the top layer only so that we orient this corner and fix this up. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. We fix this corner. Now let's bring this one into the same spot by rotating the top. And now we do our algorithm 2 more times. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Now we just do any top layer moves and we have solved the 2x2 cube. So there you go. So that was pretty much an easy alternative for those who are getting into the 3x3 and need more practice on the corners. So thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and please share with your friends and family. And if you haven't, subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me. Until next time, toodles!